Let's do it that way.
Okay, I just saved it. I'm gonna switch to German and see what happens.
One question.
Do you get the headphones, or you're gonna leave it there and come back to it?
Leave it.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm rallying on the German side, so... Yay!
Okay, I'm switching.
10 minutes of walking!
Okay, yeah, they definitely spawn.
Now, I don't know if this scout's gonna start spotting
after a
me.
certain amount of time.
Okay.
Test the one.
How can I take a screenshot in game?
Console.
Depends
console.
if you're.
Y'all post
This scout is, dude. This scout is on his game. This
your
one's
mic's
just
on. We can
napping,
hear
dude.
Stone stream through your mic. Just a heads up.
Well, if I put in screenshot.render, I get unknown command
Maybe
In
they took it
console?
out.
Capital R.
in console. Yeah.
It suggests you some console commands if you type it in.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
They removed
Okay.
that from the
Okay.
file.
Okay.
Or what?
Then.
Capital S screenshot dot
Yeah.
capital R render.
No, nothing.
Okay.
Flame Trooper kit is available
Because
near
I
your
think I found
location.
something. It
Take a
may be
picture on
just
your phone.
I think it's just a battery
Okay.
glitch, but who knows?
Okay, it does take screenshots at my screen and it lags so long.
Where
Yeah.
does it place them?
The
Documents,
flame
I think.
trooper kit has been located. Yay! I can burn this fucking
I
forest.
found a bug. I found a bug. If you are swimming and you have your secondary weapon on your hand and you're swimming straight forward and you're looking into the water and then sprinting, the pistol will swim in the water below you.
Okay, I got the headphones. I got the headphones on the German side.
Nice.
Cool.
Then you only have
Phone
to,
back.
I'm going to.
you
Argonne.
only
Yeah.
have to record fucking Morse code.
Yeah.
Which I'm
good
still
luck.
working on.
And I think this is the biggest problem because sometimes it's too fast.
The other Discord
A
is
flame
on
trooper
to
kit is available near your
picture. I
location.
think it's of the book out of the single mission, the secret book of codes. And they say it's really detailed. So they took a screenshot and they worked at, and they say it's like Farsi code or something, and they're on to translating something. But I don't know.
Maybe
which
it's nothing,
map?
but
Half-Life is in there. He's way more active over there right now.
Okay. Like on which map does they do it at the very moment?
I don't know. I'm just reading there. Actually, just
Ah, okay.
the
Okay.
typing guys. I think. The fast typing chat.
but I think it has to be connected with Battlefield. So every cipher, yeah. I think so.
Just to give you a heads up, maybe it's nothing, right?
Yeah. But we have to follow every clue if we want to find some.
Their Farsi Morse code, like international Farsi Morse code.
Okay.
They have to decipher in Arabic or something.
Can't find
This
the
this
MCOM.
should be.
It's not
this
too
should
off.
be far away. So
Where's the MCOM in relation to the German spawn?
Top right corner of the map.
Oh, I found it.
yeah, or yeah. Nice.
Okay, can I just get like a silence so I can record this? Just FYI.
Yeah.
You can mute yourself in Discord. The little headphones button in the bottom left corner.